Okay, so let's try to fix USB stuck on stuck whatever 0%. So first let's try to turn off the console. Okay, so let's see. Now let's try to turn it on. Okay, still stuck at 0%. Let's try to delete, insert the on the PC and delete the files. I mean, make more storage space. Okay, so I already inserted it. Let's see if it worked. Okay, looks like it worked. So it wasn't full. There was like 5 gig left of that. At least it fixed it for me. So that's it. Thank you so much. Have a great day. See you next video. Hope this helps. If it doesn't help, please don't cry in the comments. Contact your manufacturer. Go to Sony Service Center. Go to Sony Service Center and pay up. Pay that money. Show me the money.